Hey, what's going on, guys? My name's John Erickson. I'm fully vaccinated and boosted. I live in Los Angeles. I'm available for the shoot dates. I'm a scratch handicap golfer. I played Division I Ivy League, went to Brown University, one of the top players in the team. I've competed in the New England PGA, lots of different Pro-Am tournaments. I compete these days as well. Absolutely love golf. I'm out on the course all the time, and I travel and do destination golf as much as possible. Oh, and possibly one of the best shots I've had, probably I would say the most fun shots I've had, was a couple of years ago, Torrey Pines North Course, pre-COVID, and hit the pin off the tee, rolled down the pin, lipped around the cup, bounced out, and then subsequently, the worst shot I've ever had was missing the putt for birdie. So almost got the hole-in-one, and then of course, I missed the birdie putt. But hey, it happens. Thanks. And we're ready to go. Got some video of me shooting up top, a couple different outfits, give you guys an idea of what I look like. I've got some video as well of me out on the course, so hopefully you like it. Hit the ball about 300 yards off the tee, and I can putt as well. So again, thanks a lot.
For Eagle. John Erickson for Eagle. Yes!
High five.
Well done.